In this video, I'm going to unbox a Philips trimmer. So let's start the video. So this is the Philips trimmer that I've got from Myntra.com. It's just for rupees 1046. Although the MRP of the box is 1400, but I got this from Myntra in just rupees 1046. It's very easy to unwrap it up. So this is the box from Myntra. I don't know where to open it from. Okay. So this is the box of the Philips trimmer. Now let's break the seal first. See, the pricing here is given as 1400 rupees. Let me cut the seal. So here is the trimmer. Let me keep this aside and see what else is in the box. So this is a typical charger from Philips and some paperwork like warranty and the user manual, and there is nothing else inside the box. So we get a charger. It is 0.70 milliampere, and this is a cleaning brush. And now let's have a look at the trimmer itself. So here we got the trimmer. Now let's remove this wrap. So this is the trimmer itself, and it feels great in hand. The build quality is really great. It has 10 settings from 0 to 10 mm, so you can trim your hairs between 0 and 10 mm. So let's remove this tape and see how it's working. So it's working really very great. Thanks for watching the video.